Save Himalaya campaign cleaning of National Park of Nepal. Save Himalaya project preserves the mountain ecosystem Nepal by working with people residing in the buffer zone of national park. The project aims to clean the trekking trail and the base camp of 14 mountains above 8,000 meters. The garbage collected from the cleaning campaign is recycled at the local level and used to make handicraft products. What we are doing is cleaning of the garbage in the national park all over Nepal. Our program is bring awareness to the local people by those who are involved in the field of tourism. For example, how to manage plastic, how to manage trails, and how to balance the environment. We will train them about that. Save Himalaya campaign the project has initiated youth activities in Shivapuri National Park from August 15, 2020. During the one-week campaign, 10 mountain guides collected 150 kg non-degradable waste from the park. The waste was sent to the metropolitan dumping site in Makwanpur. During the period of the global pandemic, the Save Himalaya project will empower the mountain guides and local community to utilize their time and effort in saving the mountain ecosystem of Nepal. The project will encourage local communities to practice sustainable approaches and make less impact on nature. The project will play a vital role in preserving the mountain ecosystem to combat global climate change. Preserving the mountain ecosystem will save the home of rare and endangered animals like Red Panda, snow leopard, and Musk Deer. It will also preserve rare plants like Golden Michelia, Spikenard, Panch Aule, and Cordyceps.